Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a room tour 2020. And I know I've said in a couple of videos, if you're new to the channel you won't know, but the past month or so I have been saying in a couple of videos there will be a room tour coming soon, because I wanted to update my room and I got a new desk and all of that. I'm pretty sure I've got a playlist of my room tours, but if not, I'm gonna make one. It will be up by the time that this video is up, because I have done redoing my room, recreating my room, whatever you want to call it, like ramping my room up pretty much. So let's just get into it. I've got a new desk, got loads of new photo frames, and I'm just loving it. It's actually tidy for once. So let's get into the room tour. Okay, so the first thing that you see when you walk in is this. I've shut my blind because obviously you can see outside my window. But this is the first view you see. And then right behind me, my loads of bags. My pretty much everyday bags that I have. That's a Revolution one, that's a Shein one. I've only tried Shein once, so I haven't bought from it since. And then that's a Sainsbury's bag. And then I've got a radiator here, what's not really any interest. And then my CDs are here, goes all the way down. And then just down there is my bin, but I'm not going to show you that. Okay, next bit is this bit. I used to have my lipsticks in a drawer, but I quite liked it being out. Let me move this. So it looks like that. This is just for like brushes. Well, not for makeup, but like. And then I've got another candle there. So from an angle it looks like that. And I quite like it. And then these are the Alex drawers. There. And they've just got pretty much rubbish in them. My nail polish is in this one. And then my DIYs are more further down. And then my skincare and all that. And then these are my clothing drawers. And then there's my TV. Got my Xbox upstairs and my PlayStation downstairs. Then you turn over here, and then you've got this area that Dumbo has fell. Ooh. So this is this area. This is my stand for filming videos on. And then my little bags behind there with all my equipment in. Again, this is a drawer full of my skincare. I've got a lot of skincare. And just like winter stuff like hats, gloves and scarves. And then I've got this area, that's my key. And then I made them when I was younger. And then that's just a glass. I don't drink that much, but I get these on special occasions. Like my birthdays and that. And then this is my mirror. I've got this sign what says weird is a side effect of awesome. I really want to get like a different type of tile of like the hanging ones. And then I've got a reward down there, so I'm trying. Okay, so we've moved out the way and it just looks like that. It turns on and it looks like that. We're actually gonna probably keep that on for the rest of the video. So let's grab this. And then we turn away to my, let's say, teddy collection. This is a heated, weighted beanbag. Couldn't think of the word. My teddy when I was like 10, I think. Had that since I was like 12. This is a teddy that my sister got me for Valentine's Day. Let's avocado, and then just random toys. Well, not toys, but like tough teddies and all that. And then these pillows were from Asda. Tesco's, I think, actually. And these are the same. I'm pretty sure that's the same as well. Okay, so then we get up to this bit. And this is like the teacher's girlfriend, I say. I forgot her name, but it's a sleepy version of her. And then this is my new desk. I have got a desk, like doing everything and how it works. Yeah, so I got this desk from IKEA. Again, it's got the smaller version of that Alex drawers. This is pretty much all my makeup, and then the top drawer is like important stuff. And then this is my folders for school, college, work, whatever. And then just some pens, and these are my AirPods. They're not the actual Apple ones. Then that's my dog, Alfie. He's so cute. And then I've got this. This was my birthday hat. And then I got that for my birthday or Christmas. But I've been wanting one of these for ages. I know it's more likely for your boyfriend to get you one, but I really wanted one for quite a while. And I was single, still am, but I really wanted one. And then these are earring clip-ons. I haven't found a place to put them yet. And then they are chokers. They're all my earrings I've got on this new holder. And then there's a little Dumbo that my sister made me for my birthday. And then Lego character. Sorry, my camera keeps on saying it's out of storage. But yeah, mine the headed unicorn. It was on my wall. And then that's just random pencils, scissors, and everything I need. Then that's my brushes, and that thing. It's meant for a plant, but I thought it was cute putting it in this, and then it matches that. Then there's my jewellery. Again, I've got one of those. Obviously that was for my 18th. I know I'm 21 now, but I like to keep sentimental things. And then there's my earrings. I love my earrings. That's my earring. My rings. I love my rings. Yeah. And then this is the mirror. I love this. Let me just turn it on. And that is the mirror. It has proper made the room brighter, and that's just from these little lights. And these ones you can actually touch. They don't get hot at all, so that's good. No, you can't really see me, but you can see the room very well now. So we're just gonna keep them on. So that is all of my desk and my chairs. I can't remember where my chair's from, but that's another thing. I want to get a new chair. Like I said, there's just little bits I wanted to get, but I wanted to do a room tour because I've got most of the main stuff I wanted. And then on here I've just got a suitcase that I need to put back in my wardrobe, but it's got all my winter stuff in, so it's really heavy. And then that's a Wii that I need to sell. And then that's my unicorn blanket. And then we get to the mirror. Mine untucked. I don't know how it's done that. But this is the mirror. This is where I do most of my photos. And I've got these little lights. They're not really bright. And then down below I've got this cactus or cacti, whatever you want to call it. And then above I've got these cute little perfumes. I love the way I can't wait to just take a selfie like that, but with that in if I can, because these just got up today, the time that I'm filming this, so I'm so in love with them. This one looks like that, And then there's that one. That one's probably my favourite. But then we get to this area. This is like my fashion filming area. This is my fashion background. So there's my slippers. They're just for when I wake up. My iPad. And then my like skincare box bit. And then just some shoes that won't fit in my wardrobe. And then that is a nail dryer. My feelers, my prom shoes, and then just shoes I got from a charity shop. And then there's my prom bag. And then I've got these perfumes. I've got loads. But pretty much Anne Grande, Zoella, Revolution, Misguided, Katy Perry. Like I've got perfumes like that, loads of them. And then that's some crowns, I love them. That's the crown I wear on my prom. And then that's just a crown from my childhood. I don't know why I got it and how. But yeah, then this is my radio / alarm. And we go up and there's nothing here. But if we go back here, this is another bit that, forgot to show you this bit. So when you walk in, you probably saw it, but there's this sign now, and it says, "Don't let today be a waste of makeup." Like I was saying, obviously it needs to be near my makeup, because it's a makeup quote, and I do my makeup here. But the last and final thing before my phone cuts out again, because there's too much storage, because I've been filming all day, this is the main piece. As you can see in a couple of my latest videos, the past 2 weeks, I've been having a background with like just images of newspaper images and all that. But I saw this in B&M and I couldn't resist. And I feel like it just makes my room go all put together, because that goes with that, and then there's a makeup quote, and then I've got that up there. So all together, this is my room. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That was the room tour. Did you like it? I don't know why. Because I've been vlogging so often, I feel like I have not done my actual outro for quite some time. So, did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I do lifestyle, fashion and beauty. Haven't been doing much beauty lately, and there should be a fashion video coming out on Sunday. I have not filmed a fashion video for quite some time, so that should be coming out very shortly. This is going out on Friday. There was a vlog on Wednesday. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!